According to Reuters, the Philippines is purchasing 32 S-70i Black Hawk helicopters from Poland-based Sikorsky Aircraft subsidiary PZL Mielec to beef up its existing fleet of 12. The country's defense chief said on Sunday, as it seeks to boost its disaster response capabilities. The contract will come with logistical support and a training package for pilots and maintenance crews at a cost of 32 billion pesos, equivalent to $624 million. It is expected that the first 5 units will be delivered in 2023. The remaining ones will be delivered in 2024, 2025, and 2026, respectively. S-70i helicopter or Black Hawk is the latest armed version of the S-70 or UH-60 helicopter. The weapon system can be bought along with a new aircraft or as a kit that can be retrofitted to existing Black Hawk helicopters. The weapon system can be manually installed or removed as needed within 3 hours. The major parts of the kit includes an electro-optical or infrared system, external store support system, and the weapons themselves. The external store support system are basically removable stub wings with pylons that can carry various items, like weapons, fuel tanks, etc. The ABH weapon system allows a lot of flexibility in what load to carry and how the configuration will be. Ultimately, all the passenger carrying capability can be removed altogether and installed in their place more ammunition for the machine guns, or even more manually operated machine guns. The helicopter has a maximum gross weight of 9.9 tons and can carry 2 crew members and up to 13 troops. The reliable crash-worthy airframe design of the S-70i integrates a machine cabin structure and a single-piece cockpit assembly. The structure can resist small arms fire and high explosive projectiles. The helicopter is powered by 2 T700GE701D turboshaft engines. H develops a maximum power of 1,447 kW. The helicopter can fly at a maximum cruise speed of 277 km per hour and has a maximum range of 459 km with no reserve. The service ceiling is 13,200 feet. The rugged landing gear allows the landing and takeoff from virtually any unprepared terrain. The S-70i Black Hawk is in service in Brunei, Colombia, Chile, Poland, and the Philippines. In addition to the 32 new helicopters, earlier this month, the Philippines also received the first batch of T-129 tactical reconnaissance and attack helicopters from Turkey. This will be a significant boost for the country's armed forces.